Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the series of Introduction to Computer Programming. In the last lecture, we have discussed about high and low level programming languages. In high level programming language, compiler and interpreter are used. In this video, we will discuss about the main differences between compiler and interpreter. Both are software used to translate a high level programming language to machine code. Starting with the compiler. A compiler is a computer program or software that translates a source code written in a high-level language, for example C++, into a set of machine code that can be executed by a machine or CPU. The compiler takes the entire program you wrote in high-level programming language and translate the complete code into a machine code at once. The complete code is translated into an executable file which is ready to run on a machine. A compiler is more intelligent. It checks for all kind of limits, ranges and errors. Compiler also checks for syntax error. If there is any error, the process of translation of a program to executable file will fully stop and no object file is created, and the error will be displayed at the end of compilation. Means no machine code is generated. The process of generating an executable file from object file will be discussed later on. Now we will discuss about the interpreter. An interpreter is a computer program that translates a high-level code into machine code, instruction by instruction. The CPU executes each instruction before the interpreter moves on the next instruction. The great thing about interpreter is that the program will fully execute until an error occurs. Error will be displayed after each instruction that contains it. Here you can see the first instruction in the code is shown in the black color. The interpreter executes it and displays a letter H. Now moving on to the next instruction, which is shown in the red color. The interpreter executes it and displays a letter E, and the process continues. Now coming to the differences between interpreter and compiler. Compiler translates the whole program in one go, while interpreter translates program one statement at a time. As compiler scans the code in one go, the errors are shown at the end altogether. Interpreter scans code one line at a time, errors are shown line by line. The main advantage of the compilers is its execution time. Interpreters are slow in executing a program. Compiler converts the source code into object code. Interpreter does not convert source code into object code. Instead, it scans it line by line. Compiler does not require source code for later execution. Interpreter requires source code for later execution. Compiler examples are C, C++, and Java, while interpreters are Python, Perl, MATLAB. I hope this is informative for you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.